Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily set the cash tag on Cash App. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. And of course, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So, let's begin and first open up Cash App. Then hit right here at Profile icon. And then tap on Edit Profile. Right here on that screen, you can easily find that cash tag field. You can just stop on that, and now you are able to set unique name for getting paid by anyone. I'm just gonna enter some cash tag and then hit on Set. As you can see, I have just set cash tag for my profile. Now I can hit Add Done, and the dead cash tag is now showing right here, just under my email. Now you can write down in the comments if you have any questions about that tutorial. And also, I recommend you to check out my Cash App tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you like that video, and I see you in the next one.